This is Houston, contact with a test. 1, 2, 3.
Hi guys, I'm Charlie.
And I'm Will.
Some fuels burn really hot, then appear to go out, but they don't. They're cool flames now.
They're just burning at a much lower temperature without any visible flames.
In the experiment, they're using all types of alkane fuel droplets.
The experiment is happening on the combustion rack on the ISS.
The idea is to produce a working fuel without the excess heat.
Almost all the energy is used to power the engine because cool flames aren't losing much energy as heat, so there's not as much carbon dioxide.
That's the way it helps us on Earth. Here's the way it helps us in space.
Cool flames provide fuel for better rocket engines like the homogeneous charge compression engine. That's a lot of big words. I'm just going to call it the HCCI.
Yeah, the HECI is an engine that doesn't spark to ignite, so that the spaceship doesn't burn to a crisp.
Wow, that sounds really great. Everyone should go to space now.
Yeah, the spaceship won't burn, so you don't burn.
That's fun.
I hope you learned something. Goodbye.
Bye.
Thank you for watching.
2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. End of test.